Okay, so on this example, I'm going to show you how to solve an equation with variables on both sides and has a distributive property in it. You have to distribute. So first, make your dotted line where your equal sign is, and then distribute. So you're going to have 7 times n and 7 times 1. Okay, 7 times n and then 7 times 1. So 7n minus 7. Bring your equal sign down, and then you got to take -2 times both of those. So I would write -6 minus 2n. You could bring your plus sign down and have a -2n. You could say plus a -2n, but I just write it as minus. So now I need to organize my stuff. I like to move my letters over to the left-hand side, so I have -2n. So I'm going to add 2n to both sides. Now, if I add 2n there, the reason I have this dotted line is so that I only do it on one side each. Like sometimes if there's more letters here, people will do a +2n and then a +2n over here. If I come over here, you've got to make sure that you add the +2n to the other thing with the letter. Okay? Make sure you don't add it to the number. So this gives me 9n, and bring the -7 down, equals -6. Then we're going to add 7 to both sides. So -7 plus 7 is 0. Brings down a 9n. Bring down your equal sign. And now -6 plus 7 is 1. Now, you have to be careful here. If you do 9 divided by 1, you get 9, and your brain is going to feel like that's good because I should get a normal integer. But that's not the case. You want to make sure you always divide by the number on the letter. We want to get the letter alone, so I always divide by what's on the letter to get 1n. If I divide this side by 9, I have to divide this side by 9, so I get a fraction. So my answer is n equals 1/9. So be careful. I tell students, trust your algebra. If you get 9n, divide by 9, you get a fraction, that's okay. Don't always think you're wrong if you don't get an integer.